Let me show you what your customers actually get with Expedition Money. Because when I tell bank leaders about the scope of this program, the reaction is almost always the same. They can't believe it's available for this price. This isn't a financial literacy brochure, and it's not a calculator on a webpage. It's a full financial wellness ecosystem built over years of real-world experience, and it's ready to go the day you subscribe. There are more than 3,000 educational videos covering every financial topic imaginable: budgeting, debt payoff, investing, home buying, retirement, building wealth from scratch. There are over 2 million views from people who chose to watch because the content actually helped them. More than 80 structured online courses organized into guided learning paths. A step-by-step journey built on our Climb framework that takes customers from wherever they are financially to wherever they want to go. Every customer starts with a comprehensive financial health assessment, a personalized picture of where they stand and what to focus on next. Not generic advice, a real starting point built around their actual situation. From there, they have access to financial coaching content, live, recorded workshops, more than 19 published books and written guides, and games and challenges that make habit building genuinely enjoyable. And running through everything is our financial independence framework, the FI Expedition. It's the only program I'm aware of that gives everyday customers a real concrete vision of what financial freedom could look like for them, and a path to actually reach it. That kind of vision changes behavior. And when a customer achieves something meaningful with the help of your bank's financial wellness program, you've earned something that no marketing campaign can buy. On the bank side, you get a simple customer management portal, live engagement reports, hundreds of social media posts and marketing materials, and launch training to make sure your rollout sticks. All of it for as little as $150 a month. So schedule a demo and we'll walk you through exactly what this could look like for your bank, your customers, and your community. Let's start this expedition together.